In my heart, I'm still, that guy who came from West Delhi and made his way up.
How is it being Virat Kohli?
It's to be honest, in the last 4 years or so, it's been quite a drastic change, because I remember, and we discussed this very often, when Anushka had come to Australia, we still were, regularly walking out of the hotel and just walking around, going to restaurants. Yes, people will come and approach you, but it wasn't in a way that, there was some kind of motive behind it, or, a motivation to get a picture and post it online. So we didn't feel that kind of, urge from people to get into our space. They would respect our space. They would get excited, obviously, seeing the two of us together. But I think from 2015 onwards, my career also grew and social media also was growing simultaneously. So what happened was, it became very drastic. I would say in the last 3 years, though, it's been surprising for me as well. You don't realize on a daily basis how confined your life starts becoming. That's why you want to be in your space more and more, because the moment you step out of that space, you probably have to interact with 100 people at a time. So it gets difficult, accepting and understanding that transition, because in my heart, I'm still, that guy who came from West Delhi and made his way up. So is Anushka.
Firstly, how are you as a husband? When you are on holiday, what do you do? Can you give us an insight into what you and Anushka do in your leisure time?
Well, firstly, I would like to admit that I'm not the best when it comes to planning anything. She plans things way better, and she has a great understanding of the perfect holiday or places that would be great to visit, and she's absolutely spot on every time we are going somewhere and she plans it. On holiday, we are pretty chilled out, we are pretty relaxed. As you saw, we went to Bhutan, and these are the kind of things we like doing together.
If I can now ask you a personal question, what did you find when you got together? What was the thing that got you and Anushka together, and what attracted Virat Kohli to Anushka Sharma?
Look, firstly, the most comforting thing was knowing that we come from very similar backgrounds, and we laughed on things that only both of us understood. Because those are the kind of things that, when you come from a middle class background, these are the kind of scenarios you've seen growing up. Invariably, those jokes you will find similar. There was a lot of comfort factor immediately, and the thing that was fascinating for me the most was how relaxed and how chilled out she was for who she already was at that stage, and how welcoming and comforting she was, and how approachable she was. So these are things that immediately we just became really friendly. We started cracking jokes. I was the one probably fooling around all the time, and some of the jokes were really silly as well, but that's how I am. I love having a good time and having a laugh, and she would really find a lot of things funny as well. So we got talking from there on, and yeah, I'm really glad that shampoo commercial happened.